Hi, this is Dan Brown. This is my presentation for my mobile application development class. To start off, the definition of mobile apps is a small computing device small enough to be handheld and less than 2 pounds, according to Wikipedia. Some examples would be smartphones, PDSs, and tablets. For personal use, people often shop on Amazon, play video games, web surfing, and even ordering food. The business use of mobile apps is to be able to market their products so that a potential customer can come on and see what they have and do all of their shopping right there on their mobile device. This also looks good for the customers to be able to do this. Makes the company seem a little more with the times. The top 5 mobile apps would be Google Maps, where you can input a destination and where you're starting from, and it will let you know the best routes to take. Facebook, which is a social media site. YouTube, which has many videos, especially tutorial videos on how to fix your plumbing, which is what I use it for more than anything. Facebook and Messenger, which is part of Facebook, and a Google search engine. The top 2 brands in the market as of today are Android and iOS, which is Apple. My personal preference is Android. As far as comparing the two, Google apps do work well on iPhones, but Apple apps do not work very well on Android devices. However, Android does have a much better battery life. Both of them have an AI program. With Apple, it's called Siri, and Android has something called Google Now. Siri is more voice command oriented, whereas Google Now uses pre-existing information that's already on your device. Some of the most popular apps today are Google Play Store, where you can download games and apps directly from them. Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, which as I've said already, and Maps. Some food and drink apps. There's one called Pepper Plate, which allows you to manage recipes, create and store menus, and plan meals and make shopping lists. Delectable is for wine lovers. This, you can take a picture and put it in there, and it will generally recognize it. And Harvest, which is used for produce items, it gives you information about which foods are in season so that you can acquire them when they're at their freshest point. The pesticide levels and hints on how to store your produce. Tools for developing mobile apps. You have Alpha Anywhere, which can create hybrid mobile apps with little coding needed. You have something called AppPress, which is a web-based creator with no code needed to write. It's part of Amazon's cloud platform. Then you have App Architect, which is also web-based and no code. It's a drag and drop builder used to make apps for iPads and iPods. Some of the resources for app developers. One is called Patterns. It has a library of over 2,900 patterns that you can be used for Android apps. Tether is used for iOS app development, and my favorite, Android App Patterns, provides more than 1,600 screenshots of apps from 31 different categories. Jobs for app developers. TapFrame, you can build a portfolio and list all the different technologies and software you have used, and that serves as your resume. Zoptal charges a little more than the average rate for their services, but have a reputation for getting talented creators. Then ZipTask takes care of a lot of the app aspects most web developers do not like doing, such as they're an intermediary between you and the client, and they take care of the billing, they take care of all the communications between you and the client. And finally, these are my sources. Alrighty, thank you.